What's up everyone? We have another unboxing today. It's a really cool shoe. It's an expensive shoe. I got it on sale. But before that, we're gonna open up this smaller package. This is from Supreme. This is one of the 4 items I was able to cop in the first week. So let's go ahead go in and open this up. Alright. And boom. We got a Supreme beanie. What did it come with? It came with 3 Supreme stickers. These are pretty cool. I always love the stickers. You got 2 basic ones, and then you got this one. I'm not sure what this is. I know it's a basketball game, but I'm not sure which match it is exactly. Oh, I'm bugging. It's not about. I thought this was the net, guys. This is a Prodigy right here. I'm pretty sure. Don't kill me if I'm wrong. I'm pretty sure it's Prodigy. That's cool. Broken sharp glass effect or something right there. I thought this was a net right here. My bad. Anyways, let's feel this beanie. We also got this, by the way. I don't know what this is. Plus the fix. Supreme plus the fix. I'm not even gonna open it because I want to keep it that stock, because I'm probably going to sell it and keep that in a collection. Now, as for the beanie itself, it feels good, man. This shit is trippy. Depending on the lighting, it'll just whoa, look at that. Let's try it on. I got a third eye now. Oh man, I like it. It's a good beanie, it's cool. Again, I think it probably looks better without glasses. I can't even see myself right now. But yeah, cool beanie. Definitely quality. Supreme beanies are always nice. It's not the top of the top, but good nonetheless. Now for the big box. The one everyone's here for. We're gonna open it up, and inside this box is gonna be, again, another box. So we got the certificate. It was $245 with $15 shipping, and boom, we got a nice Y-3 box right here. Let's open it up, and it comes with a Y-3 card, a Y-3 pack. Let's see what's inside this pack. We got laces. Should I show you guys the laces? I want to see the laces. I'm not gonna take out too much, but like that. And then, of course, we get some dust bags. Would I say these are as nice as the N ones? No, but that's not because the material is cheaper. It's just a different type of material. This feels like nylon or polyester to me. I can't really tell the difference between fabrics that well, but it just has a different feel compared to like whatever the N Reebok dust bag was. If you didn't check that video, check that out too. Extremely good quality for only the price of $100 approximately. So very good shoe. I would recommend everyone check that shoe out, especially if you need a beige shoe. It's very nice. Anyways, 2 dust bags. And now on to the best part, the shoe. All black Y-3 Kaiwa.
Well, maybe not all. Crazy feels good.
An all black Y-3 Kaiwa. I might be pronouncing that wrong again. Please don't kill me. We got the Y-3 on the heel. Ballistic mesh upper. Super nice. We're gonna have an on-feed of these for you guys at the end. Packed in with a lot of this paper. I'm just gonna lace these up how I normally lace up shoes, because when it comes to lacing my shoes, I don't do anything too special. I might change that in the near future. This is my first time actually buying clothes for myself. I'm not a fashion expert by any means. I just like sharing what I get, and I like letting people know what the quality is like for the price, etc., etc. Anyways, yeah, both pairs. You got a little Yoji Yamamoto action right there. It says his name. Really cool pair of shoes in my opinion. The upper is made out of ballistic mesh. Ballistic mesh, what's that? It's the thing guys wear to stop bullets coming through them. You know, the bulletproof vest? That's ballistic mesh, and that's on this shoe. So like once I learned that and I knew about it, I was like, I have to hop on it. Where did I get these shoes from? I got it from Packer Shoes. It's at 45 Smith Street, Englewood, New Jersey. I'm from New York, so these got to me fairly quickly. Definitely check them out. They have a sale on these right now for $245. I was able to get the last one in my size. Some sizes have already run out, so I definitely recommend you guys go and take a look at their website, because I know these were on sale, and if you did not grab your pair while it was on sale, there's very few places with sales right now, and Packer Shoes is one of them. Definitely give them a check out. Let's head on to the on feed.